This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gabriele Charity. Beautiful established family community at Plantation Bay, Ellenton. This pool home with freshly painted interior, has a very open split floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Newer roof in 2018, pool was resurfaced in 2019. Lovely greenbelt view from pool area. Close to Manatee River and easy access to I-75, shopping malls and beaches. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Gabriele Charity at 941-685-6649.